So there's 3 methods that I personally use to write YouTube scripts. And you can always go on websites like Fiverr or Upwork to hire people, but I'm pretty sure when the majority of us are starting out with our YouTube channels, we don't have money to spend. We don't have experience to hire these people to write scripts, and we don't exactly want to shell out all this money at first. And we want to do it as fast, as quickly, and as cheap as possible. So these methods, I believe, can help people who are just starting out with a YouTube channel. So the first one is ChatGPT. And pretty much all of us know about ChatGPT. At least you should, because chat is going to become your best friend next to vidIQ. So ChatGPT is great, absolutely fantastic when it comes to writing YouTube scripts. So basically what we do is we go to chat.openai.com. We sign up if you haven't already signed up for it. We come down to the bottom and we type in our niche and we ask ChatGPT to write us a script. So for example, write me a script for my YouTube channel that focuses on the car niche. I would like it to be about 10 facts that make the Ferrari the fastest car in the world. Let's see what it comes up with. So not only does it give us our script, it comes up with a title as well. It has the opening scene. It has the host talking. This is where you obviously would do your voiceover. You can record it with your voice or use a website like 11 Labs to record an AI voiceover. And then we go down the list. It gets straight into the content. We have fact number 1, number 2, number 3, and it basically lists them out in a listicle style, very clear and concise. So with a script like this, you would absolutely want to add some sort of captivating hook. So you know that you have the content delivery all right here. This is the complete content delivery. You can make it shorter. You can make it longer. You can ask ChatGPT to make it longer or make it easier to understand or change it up a little bit to your style and the style of your niche and your channel. But if you're happy with this, you just copy this and you enter it into an AI voiceover, or you can read this with your own voice. So in order to be able to copy and paste this into a program like 11 Labs and have them read it, you would have to remove where it says host. You would have to remove these words in the brackets. So let's ask ChatGPT to do exactly that. Please remove the word host and also all of the brackets and the words in the brackets. Let's see what it comes up with. So when it comes to ChatGPT, sometimes it gets it right the first time, and sometimes you have to keep prompting it. In this case, let's prompt it a little bit more. Take out the parts where you talk about the type of shots in the video and leave only the spoken words. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. So what we're going to do now is we're going to copy this. We're going to copy the content delivery because this is exactly what it is. This is the meat and potatoes of our video. Content delivery. We can make it shorter. We can make it longer. It depends on what you want to do. We're going to copy this. We're going to come to a notepad. and then we're going to paste it in the notepad. So here is our content delivery. And basically what we have to do, this is our content delivery part. We have to come up with a blueprint outline with a hook, with a summary, and a call to action. So let's ask chat to do exactly that. Please come up with a captivating hook for this script. Perfect. Rev your engines and hold on tight, because today we're talking about a thrilling ride into the world of speed and luxury. Join us as we peel back the layers of automotive excellence and uncover the secrets behind why Ferrari stands as the undisputed champion of speed. From the racetrack to the open road, get ready to discover the 10 facts that make Ferrari the fastest car in the world. That's perfect. We don't need to change that one bit. Let's take that, come back to our notepad, copy it, put it on top as the hook. So let's make the blueprint. Please give me a paragraph about how I have a list of 10 facts about. Perfect. In this captivating episode, get ready to uncover the secrets behind what makes Ferrari the unrivaled champion of speed and luxury. And it goes to talk about how we have a groundbreaking list. Buckle up and prepare to be amazed as we delve into this comprehensive exploration of the world's fastest car. Perfect. So this is basically warming them up for the content delivery portion. We're going to copy this. We're going to paste it after the hook. So we have our hook, we have our outline, and we have our content delivery. We're going to come back to chat. Please give me a quick summary of the 10 facts that you previously listed. The ChatGPT makes this so easy. Like before ChatGPT was around, I'm sure there was other generation engines such as this, but before ChatGPT was around, we actually had to go on Fiverr and hire people to write your script, or we had to sit down and write the script ourselves. And this is what YouTubers did for 10 years at least. But now that ChatGPT is around, it's quickly going to become your best friend. It should. And I highly advise that you get to know it, get to know the ins and outs of the program. Okay, we're going to ask it to summarize. So it gave us a list of summary, which we can't really use. So let's prompt it again. Please summarize the video without giving me a list. Make it quick and friendly. Preparing for the end, which is a call of action. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. Beautiful. Let's take this. We're going to paste it after the content delivery part. So for the next part, which is the call of action, I like to write this myself because I like to make it a little bit personal. So let's say something like, thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate you spending this 5 minutes with me, or we can put something like, I really appreciate you spending your valuable time with me. And guys, I want you to remember one thing. A viewer's time is extremely valuable, and you should acknowledge that their time is valuable because they can be watching anything on YouTube. They can watch anything on the entire internet, but they chose to watch your video. Not only did they watch your video, they watched it all the way to the end, which helps the algorithm determine which videos to push out to your future audience. So when somebody watches my videos to the end, I have a sense of gratitude and I'm grateful. And I do want to thank them. And I wish I could reach out and hug them or shake their hand. But you should always strive to put some sort of heartfelt message in the last portion of your video. So thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate you spending your valuable time with me. Please, let's end with please. If you want to watch exactly why the Lamborghini is the best selling sports car in the world, please click here. And then we're going to have our call to action with the end screen. Beautiful. So we have our written script. So we're going to copy the whole thing. We're going to come back to chat. We're going to paste it in the box. And we're going to ask him at the beginning, please correct spelling and grammar, just in case there's any spelling or grammar errors. Okay, perfect. We're going to copy this. We're going to come back to our notepad or our Google Docs, and we're going to paste it in here. Perfect. Nice. We have our script ready to go, and that only took us 5 to 7 minutes.